How to get CapCut back after deleting it on Android. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Play Store. Then click on search button on bottom right corner of your screen. Then search for CapCut. You'll find CapCut. You'll find install option. Click on install and your CapCut will be installed. If you don't find CapCut in Play Store, simply go to Google and search CapCut. After you've searched Google, you'll simply find this kind of screen pop up. In here, you'll find Google Play option of CapCut. Simply click on it and it will lead you to CapCut in Play Store. Simply click on install and you're good to go. This is how to get CapCut back after deleting it on Android. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off. Until next time.